Now, coffee machine. Let's turn it on. Only water. And you can see how bad is pouring all the water from the holes. Most of the holes are jammed and need to be cleaned. Okay, that is not the right way to make a coffee. Well, hello guys again and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean this coffee machine. Clean the internals to have a better pouring of the water. First of all, turn it off, unplug from the power and wait until it will cool down. Now here are the holes. The holes that I was talking about are tiny holes and need to be cleaned to have a better extraction of the hot water. First of all, we need to unscrew this huge bulb. Okay, then I've got a screwdriver and we can see we've got coffee at the screw, and I'm sure it will be tricky. Oh, there it is. Whoa. We've got some compressed water inside. Okay, no problem. Now, let me show you. This is the tiny holes from inside, and you can see how much dirt they've got. Oh, and it is sticky. That is preventing the right extraction of the water. And you need to clean that. And we can see inside how it looks dirty. Most of the time I clean my coffee machine with vinegar, natural, no chemicals. Same I will do and for this tiny metal with all these holes. Just pure vinegar in a bottle. Vinegar, boil it 100 Celsius. Perfect. Everything inside. And if you want, you can insert and this with a filter. Yeah, why not? 1 hour and definitely vinegar, it will do the job. Now I'm cleaning that. Small amount of vinegar. And definitely it will do the job. Cleaning around, inside. Yep. And maybe into the hole. Yep, correct. Where goes the screw. Perfect. And I think it is clean enough. Let's wait for the vinegar to do the job for the other parts. Now everything cleaned, crystal clear, and I can see through the holes definitely. And all the other parts. There are the other parts. This is rubber. Perfect. You can see through the holes, guys? Well, I can. Perfect. Now, let's switch it on. Vinegar with small amount of water. Add the container. I will lock and all that without the filters and all these parts. Install that. Starting. stop. Now repeat this process 5 times. Now you don't have any problems because this filter, it is out. You've got the hole and it's just extracting water. No interruption with this filter and all these parts. That's how you will clean it better. Now switch it off. Remove that. Oh, and you can see what was inside of this coffee machine at the tubes, taking the water from the tank at the tubes and extract it here. And all that, wow, so much dirt. Not only dirt, it is salt from the water. Yep. Now, after finishing the cleaning process with a vinegar, fill up with clean water this tank and just repeat the process of extraction of the water. And that's how you will clean the internals of this coffee machine from the vinegar, because you don't want to taste your coffee vinegar. Now let's reinstall all the parts. Okay, this rubber goes inside here, and that's here. And now this goes inside, the rubber first. Perfect. Then the filter. Be careful, you don't want to damage this filter at any way. Maybe bend it. It is very sensitive. The screw. And that is a tricky part. You need to just first tighten it with your fingers. Okay, success. And then take the screwdriver . Just press a little bit. Don't tighten it too much. As I said, you don't want to bend this filter. Okay, perfect. And now I would like to see the extraction of the water. And yep, so smooth. If you remember from the start, before I have cleaned this unit, it was like a water jet, like a pressure water jet. Perfect, I like it. There we are. Clean it with the right way and you can enjoy long enough this coffee machine, making a rich foam. Well guys, that was all about. I hope you enjoyed my video and now you know how you can clean your coffee machine. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and down, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.